They had some challenges facing them. The second week proved to be quite successful. Mr. Partridge patiently worked with the band until they could all produce their first note. But they needed a little more work before they were ready for this performance. Producing that first note allowed them to proceed to the first lesson, where they learned to count while they played. This is necessary to perform together.